Good morning, children. Welcome to our lesson for today. Project-based learning, geometry, grade 6. The objective of the project is to help learner to classify acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and a straight angle. Angles. Angles are made up of two connected straight lines. That is how we identify an angle. The two straight lines are called the arm of angle, and the point where the two straight lines meet is called vertex. By definition, an angle is the amount of turn between two connected straight lines. Let's look at different types of angles. Number 1, acute angle. That's the drawing of an acute angle. That is how we indicate an acute angle. It is less than 90 degrees. Let's look at some real life example of an acute angle.
In a swimming pool, we can also see an acute angle formed by this metal and this one. The angle between here is an acute angle. Like if we move our arm inward like this, we will form up an acute angle which is less than 90 degrees.
Number 2, we have the right angle. That's the drawing of the right angle. It's equal to 90 degrees and we indicate it with a square. Let's look at the real life example of right angles.
This is our hanging line. Here we have a pole and another pole that are connected to each other. Where they meet, they form a right angle and another right angle. We are saying this because here there's a 90 degree formed here and another 90 degree formed here. And a 90 degree is equal to a right angle.
Okay, on a soccer goal, we have this vertical pole and another horizontal pole on top. These poles, they form a 90 degree here, which is a right angle. And this is why when a person scores a goal through this corner, they say, I scored a 90 degree.
Number 3, we have the obtuse angle. That's the drawing of an obtuse angle, and we indicate the angles like that. It is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Let's look at some real life examples of obtuse angles.
This is our school yard. The yard is designed in such a way it's so attractive and strong. Look at this design here and this one. It's designed in such a way there's an obtuse angle. This one is indicating that it's more than 90 degrees, which was supposed to be like this, but it's less than 180 degrees. That's why we call it an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees.
If I bend it a bit forward, outward, then I form an obtuse angle here.
Lastly, number 4, which is a straight angle. It's made up of two lines connected so that they form one straight line. That is how we indicate the angle, and it's equal to 180 degrees. Let's look at some real life example of a straight angle.
This is a compass. We can use it to demonstrate a straight angle. These are two arms of a compass. I'm going to move the upward arm so we form a straight angle. I move it like this, like this, like this, so that this arm and this arm, they are both straight. And the angle formed here it's a straight angle which is equal to 180 degrees.
Let's look at this hose pipe. This black hose pipe is joined with this stick, and where they meet here, they form a straight angle here, which is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. A straight angle equal to 180 degrees. Okay. If we look at this pillar, it has two different colors. This one and this one. And they join up to form a straight line. So, this side here, they form a straight angle which is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, if we look at this clock, it reads the time 6 o'clock. Now if we look at the arms of the clock, they join each other here and together they form one straight line, meaning it also forms a straight angle here and also this side here.
We can demonstrate different types of angle using our body. In this case, we are going to use our arm. Okay, if I bend my arm like this, I form an acute angle between here. This is an acute angle less than 90 degrees. If I move my arm a bit up, then I form the right angle. The right angle which is equal to 90 degrees. If I bend my arm a bit outward, then I form an obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. If I make my arm straight, then I form a straight angle which is equal to 180 degrees.